guys, I'm Omila and this is Okwenkosintsila. I'm about to do OOTD. The outfit here is Beanie. Yeah, second outfit for the second location. So yeah. Okay. Okay, because this is my account. T-shirts, that's a hydraulics, this is cow, and then Genie, I got Adidas. I bought it a sport scene, is pinning with the LV sneakers, and then hair from me. This is from iStore, and yeah, this is how I look, and oh God. The jean is from Sportsin or Adidas. Love it down. In the shoes, says I say RFO. Yeah, this got Omila was thinking Sharifa. And then this top, I feel like it's judgmental ukufa. Let me show you guys. Ibalwe uba. And this economy. And then if I get a question mark, in a between. I feel like he has judged her down. Le top. And then thanks a lot. Rachel. Love her down. Okay, and then the top here say the fix. The hair is from Omila, the said Chilo, and yeah, go see ya we see you man. See ya good dinner, see you but let's just top is probably still top is Omila, and you were saying the outfit here, okay, and maybe heels, but I'm like no, let's go home. So like on a formal date. Is Amila and that's what I say. Sinjan. Oh, hiya, hiya, yo. Upuma mazongona kandije. Upuma mazongona kandije. Guys, I love this tune. Down. But what I want to is back. Mine is better. Yours is better. Mine is better. Oh, mama. Kutheni kumnandi kangaka? Kutheni kumnandi kaso? Kutheni kumnandi kangaka? Kutheni kumnandi kaso? Since kakhulu. I feel like I need one as t-shirt him. So bye guys. I went for a bit of a wet look. Just defining the curls. Why not?